Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to unpair Bluetooth devices on iPhone. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth. Toggle the button next to Bluetooth to turn it on. Under My Devices, you can find the list of all your paired devices. Tap on the device name to connect. If you want to disconnect a device, tap the eye icon next to the name of the device. Tap Disconnect to unpair. Tap Forget this device to remove it from the list of paired devices. Tap on Forget device to confirm. This is how you can unpair Bluetooth devices on iPhone. Thank you for watching.